Get ready for our series of 5. Meet me on your mats. Go ahead and lower all the way down and bring the knees into the chest. Take an inhale, let the legs go long. And then exhale, pull them back in. Feel your low spine connect to the mat. We want to keep that low spine nice and engaged as we work through this. So through the series of 5, your head, neck, and shoulders will be lifted the whole time. If you need to set it down and take a second in between, you absolutely can, but we're working on that core engagement. So the knees are in the chest. Take right hand to the right ankle, left hand to the left knee, and extend your left leg long. Lift the head, neck, and shoulders here, starting with our single leg stretch. You're going to pull the right leg in as you extend the left. Switch the hands, left hand, left ankle, right hand, knee, and pull. So lift and pull. We're going to do this 5 times. This is 3 each side. Pull and stretch as you do it. Last set. Great job. And then bring both knees in. Keep the head, neck, and shoulders lifted for our double leg stretch. Ankles, hands on the ankles here. Keep the head, neck, and shoulders lifted, looking at the belly button. Inhale and slowly extend. Arms and legs in opposition. Exhale, swoop down and in. 2 more. Inhale, extend. Exhale, pull in. 1 more. Beautiful job. We'll go to our scissors. Slowly lift up just a little bit more. Take the legs to the sky. Then walk your hands up the right foot as you let the left leg come long. Same thing. You're going to pull, and then scissor leg switch. Left leg lifts, pull, and switch. You may have to grab the back of the hamstring. That's okay. You may have to bend the knees. You do 5 times each side. Eventually, you will nail it with consistency. All right, finish up your last one. Perfect job. Meet me at legs at 90. Take the hands behind the head for a lower lift. Know that you can lower the head, neck, and shoulders if you need, but right back up you go. We're going to lower an inch, then another inch, and then maybe 3 inches. Flex the feet back up. Beautiful job. Lower, lift. You've got 1 more. Lower. I'm breathing heavy. Lower, lift. Beautiful job. All right, draw the right knee in. Extend the left leg long for our crisscross. You're going to take your left arm, lift it up, and then reach over towards the right shoulder. We're not collapsing into the side body. Switch. Beautiful job. Here's 2, 3, 4. Last one. 5. And lower all the way down, knees into your chest. Take 1 big breath, let it go long. Great work.